Hello and welcome to the White Slate Padhai, and today we will continue with the Padhai of crop production and management. The topics that today we will be covering are protection from weeds. We have already done how to prepare the soil, then sowing, then we did till the irrigation. We added manures and fertilizers, and we also saw how to do irrigation. Now we will be watching protection from weeds. So first question arises is what are weeds, then why are they harmful, and then various methods to control them. So these things will be covered today. Now, so let's get started. The first thing that we will see is why do we need protection from weeds. It means that weeds are something which we do not want. So the question here is what are weeds. So weeds are undesirable plants. These are not any harmful insects or something. These are just undesired plants which grow in our fields. They are undesired and they are very harmful to the crops because some of them could be poisonous, and when they will be poisonous, it means when we will harvest our crops, and these will also get harvested with it, and it will make whole of our crops which we have taken out poisonous. So these are undesirable plants and these are harmful to us. The removal of weeds is called weeding. When we remove these weeds, so removal of weeds from our field is known as weeding. So this is the answer to our what are weeds. That is our undesirable plants which are poisonous also. Poison is there. Okay. It would be POISONOUS. So these are poisonous, harmful, and removal of these weeds is known as weeding. Now the next question arises that why are these harmful to the crops? So the one thing is given here only, that because they are poisonous, and then the second thing, first thing which we will say is that they compete with the crop or the plant for nutrient, space, light and water. जो हमने एकदम स्टार्टिंग में ही बात की थी अपनी, जब हम लोग सोइंग के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे कि हमें क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है सोइंग एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे करना, तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज़ ही अप्लाई हो रही है, दैट वाई इट इज़ नेसेसरी, बिकॉज अगर सही तरीके से सोइंग नहीं हो रही थी तो सारे के सारे जो क्रॉप्स थे दे वर कॉम्पीटिंग. सिमिलरली जब कोई अनडिजायरेबल चीज़ आ रही है हमारे वहाँ पे, तो दैट विल ऑल्सो कॉम्पीट विथ आर क्रॉप्स. So these also compete with crops for air, water, space and all these things. Then the second thing is that they affect the quality of main crop. Quality is also being affected of the main crop. How? Because these will also get harvested as I told you. So then even if these are not poisonous, then also they will be degrading the quality of the crops. Then they interfere in the harvesting of the crops as I told you, and they will be interfering in harvesting. So they interfere in harvesting because then we have to remove them. It will take lots of time, so it is better that we do protection from them. Then they are poisonous too and they damage the main crops. And what happens with these weeds are that they easily get infected with various diseases. So as they get infected, so they will also affect our crops. इनके चक्कर में हमारे जो crops भी होते हैं उनमें भी बहुत सारे infection हो जाते हैं, and then in turn again the quality of crops would be degraded and they will be interfering in harvesting also. So these all are the 5 things because of which we say that the weeds are harmful and we have to remove them. That's why the removal of weed is important. So now the next question arises is that how to control these weeds. Are there any methods by which we can control them? पहली चीज़ तो प्लांट्स ही हैं और हमारे क्रॉप्स भी प्लांट हैं, तो इनका आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी बहुत मुश्किल है कि कौन से हमारे प्लांट्स हैं. उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है हमें ये पता होना कि क्रॉप्स कौन से हैं और वीड्स कौन से हैं. So first thing is our mechanical method. मैकेनिकल जैसा कि हमारे नेम में ही उसके बता रहा है कि खुद से ही फार्मर्स गो टू द फील्ड एंड दे प्लग आउट. कहीं पे भी जो भी अनवांटेड प्लांट्स हैं, द फार्मर्स विल गो एंड plug those out, or they will uproot these. Okay, in more scientific term, farmers uproot these manually. खुद जाकर करके आ रहे हैं, manually they are doing this thing. So in this, farmers are uprooting these manually, but here it will require lots of labor, as they are not just only uprooting them manually by using their hands, but also they can use some of these things like you must have heard about your khurpi. So they will use either their hands or some of these things like khurpi for uprooting these. Other than that, they can also cut very close to the ground. So if these are our wheat plants, so rather than just uprooting them with their roots, they will just cut it very close to the ground. So with this mechanical method, what happens is that these weeds will appear again and again. So then farmers thought of some other way. So the next way which we are going to talk here about is chemical method. Now in the chemical method, what will happen, that here some chemicals are being sprayed, like there are some chemicals known as your 2,4-DNP, and these chemicals which are used to kill the weeds are known as your weedicides. Weedicides. Here this sides means to kill. So something which is killing our weeds is known as our weedicides, and one example of such thing is your 2,4-DNP. Now these are chemicals, these are being made in the factories just for this purpose only, and these are harmful, not harmful for our crops, but only harmful for the weeds. So these are not harmful for crops. क्रॉप्स के ऊपर कोई असर नहीं करेंगे, बट यस दीज विल जस्ट किल दीज वीड्स. दे विल बी यूज्ड टू किल weeds only. But as they are chemicals, so before applying them into the field, what the farmers have to do, they have to cover up their mouths, they have to take all the precautionary measures, because these are harmful for humans. So these chemical methods are not only harmful for humans, but they are in turn harmful for our whole environment also. Because what will happen, that when the rain will come, then these weedicides will also go into the water system, just like it was happening with the fertilizers. And these are very harmful chemicals, though they are in diluted form only. They are in diluted form. It means that they are not that much concentrated, itna zyada harmful nahi hai, but then also they are going there, and in our water system, when they will enter like in the rivers and everything, then they will be very much harmful for us. In turn, if these are not entering the water system, once these crops will come to us, then what will happen, that we will, if we are not washing the crops properly before utilizing, then we can also consume them, and then it would be harmful for us. So these were the two methods, and apart from this, there is one more method which farmers are using nowadays, and that is our biological method. That is a new method known as our biological method. Let's see. See, like all of these methods could be very much understood by their names only. So as we saw, mechanical method खुद ही हाथ से निकाल रहे हैं, chemical methods chemical का use कर रहे हैं. Similarly, if you will see the biological method, then here you will be able to see that biologically we are trying कि हम किसी भी तरीके से अपनी weeds को हटा लें. तो हटाने के लिए what we will do here some insects are being thrown in our fields. Why these insects are being thrown in our fields? Because these insects will feed on weeds only, and they will not affect our crops. So that's why this is known as biological method, because here living beings are used, and bio means living. So here the insects are being used and they are thrown in the field so that they can feed on the weeds and they will not affect the crops. So these were the three methods by which we can control our weeds, which are our undesirable plants. Now your homework today is that you have to find out example of such type of weed. Only one example, anyone. So thank you class, and please like, share, subscribe and comment.